So we have here 13 cameras, and there's 2 cameras here, 2 cameras here, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, 1 on the front.
Yep.
So it's got more cameras than any drone that's ever been built. I know that.
It sees in every direction.
Sees in every direction, okay.
Yep.
And a lot of batteries and electronics here, obviously.
Yeah, so the computer's in here, the battery's at the back.
Perfect.
And then this is the 4K.
All right, here we go. It's getting ready. It's going to take off. We're in a high wind situation. This is ridiculous, but we're going to give it a shot. Whoa. There it goes. So it's turning around. Does it see me now?
Yep. So it is locked onto you.
Oh my God.
What's going on?
Oh my God, it's gonna kill me! Oh no! Oh my God, please make it stop! I don't want to die! That's incredible! In the toughest
Then I just
conditions ever.
swipe down to land.
Wow! That was amazing. I mean, that is the toughest conditions you could have flown in.
Yeah, I mean, the wind there was super rough, which is why
30, 40 mile per hour wind.
Yeah.
Amazing, dude. Congratulations, it's a real accomplishment.
Thank you.
All right, there you have it, folks. I'm winded and inspired. This would be amazing for anybody doing action sports.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we think there's like a lot of really exciting applications on like all the obvious action sports, but there's also just kind of this creative element to it. So we've had people who've made like music videos in their driveways, like they had a production crew there,
right?
And the thing's just responding to their emotion. It's like having like a film crew that reacts to what you do.
Well, this would be the next thing, right? Coachella will have like 5 of these in the audience.
Right.
But the chance of these things falling now has gotten very low, right?
Yeah, I mean, we've done a tremendous amount of testing on this thing in a bunch of different environments and stressed it as much
well,
as
I mean,
we
if
can.
you look, I mean, the wind here has been ridiculous. The trees are blowing like crazy, and
yeah, this is honestly like above our recommended flight parameters. But
yeah, you normally wouldn't fly here.
For you.
Thank you. I mean, it's pretty impressive. All right, continued success with it. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
I will see you next time.